Have you ever opened Instagram and suddenly seen your account has been suspended or confirm your identity? For many business owners, creators, and personal users, this can be scary, especially when the account is important for sales, content, or communication. That is why Surest BizHub Limited created the Instagram Recovery Training. This training shows you, step by step, how to appeal a suspended or disabled Instagram account the right way. You will learn how to handle the appeal screen, complete video selfie verification, upload your ID correctly when required, write a proper appeal message, avoid recovery scammers, and secure your account after recovery. It is simple, practical, and easy to understand. And if you still face further difficulties, our team can step in to assist you. Get the Instagram Recovery Training today. For inquiries or support, contact Surest BizHub Limited on WhatsApp, +2 3480 341 32255, or email surestbizhub@gmail.com. Surest BizHub Limited. Digital solutions. Real results.